Okay, so the Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare FirmX Peeling Gel Exfoliant. Highly recommend it. I've recommended to friends and family. Everybody gets it. You can use it on your neck, your décolletage. I just use it on my hand. My hand is super smooth. Yeah, it's just a great little product to add to your skin care regime. Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel refines skin's texture for a smoother surface. Enzymes are derived from pomegranate and pineapple, and they dissolve dead skin cells to unclog pores and remove impurities for a brighter, luminous complexion. So glycerin and hyaluronic acid that bind water to the skin provide continuous moisture. So I've used this for a couple of years. I find that it's a really great exfoliant. I would give it 5 stars out of 5 stars. Try it yourself. But like I said, always don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Like I said, 5 stars out of 5 stars. Great little product. It's not super expensive. Let's see, where is it made in? New York, New York. So you just cleanse your skin. I'm just using a hand soap. Cleanse your skin. Make sure it's nice and clean. I'm just going to try this on my hand to show you. So your hands are nice and clean. You dry them off. Nice dry. And then what you do is you use a small, or you can use a generous amount, you can use a small amount, and as your hand is dry, you just rub in circles. And I can already feel the exfoliation. You can see some of the skin coming off. And like I said, if you want, you can leave it on for 1 to 5 minutes to get extra enzyme full benefit of the product. I feel that it lasts a good amount of time. So yeah, you just rinse it off after the skin has come off. You can see all the extra little bits of skin coming off. You just rinse it off and it is super smooth. Really great. And yeah, I will just talk about this for a couple more minutes. Peter Thomas Roth. I don't ever go without this. I always have an extra one in my cabinet because I love it so much. So check it out. 5 stars out of 5 stars. And thanks so much for watching.